Magandang araw sa inyong lahat sa mga nanonood ng video ito. Tayo na at mag-review para sa Grade 7 Entrance Exam para sa mga school kagaya ng Caloocan City Science High School and other science schools in the Department of Education. Ang pinaka-main topic natin ngayon is General Science. So nandito meron tayong 9 na topic with their corresponding number of questions. Sana ay makatulong sa inyo ang reviewer na to. Let's start. So pwede kayong kumuha ng papel at isulat ninyo ang yung sagot bago namin i-reveal yung answer. Let's go. Number 1 question. What is the first step in the scientific method? And the correct answer is ask a question. Number 2. Which step involves making an educated guess based on observations? And the correct answer is letter B. Form a hypothesis. Number 3. Why is experimentation important in the scientific method? And the correct answer is letter C. Of course, kailangan nating i-test yung ating hypothesis through experimentation. Number 4. Which scientific attitude means being truthful in reporting results? And the correct answer is letter D. Honesty. Number 5. A scientist repeats an experiment to check results. What attitude is shown? And the correct answer is letter B. Objectivity. Number 6. Being open to new ideas and explanations shows which attitude? And the correct answer is open-mindedness. Number 7. Check mo papel mo. Number 7. What SI unit is used to measure length? When you say SI, standard system for measurement or system internationale. And the correct answer for length is meter. All right. Number 8. Which instrument is used to measure temperature? The correct answer is, of course, alam na alam yan, thermometer. Number 9. What is the SI unit for mass? And the correct answer is gram. Number 10. So sana ay nakakarami na kayo ng tamang sagot, no? Which unit is best for measuring the volume of liquids? And the correct answer is letter B. Number 11. Which tool is most appropriate for measuring time? And the correct answer, napakadali, letter A, clock. Number 12. Which state of matter has a definite shape and volume? And the correct answer is letter D, solid. Tandaan nyo ha, definite shape and volume. 13. Which state of matter takes the shape of its container but has definite volume? All right? And the correct answer is, of course, the liquid. No? Wala siyang shape. Nagkakaroon lang siya ng shape based or it depends on the container. And meron siyang definite volume. So for example, yung 1 liter, 2 liter, yan yung definite volume ng liquid. Number 14. Which property describes the ability of a liquid to flow? Ayan, nandun na rin sa sagot yung clue, no? And the answer is letter C, fluidity. Check yung katabi. Fifth, state matter as particle that spread out. Ayan, freely and napakadali clue. Of course, the gas. No, kahit saan. Move freely. 16. Which state of matter has no definite shape and definite volume? And the correct answer is letter A. Tandaan yan, pag no definite shape and no definite volume, malamang gas. 17. Which change is a physical change? And the correct answer is freezing of water. Bakit siya tinawag na physical change? Kasi hindi naman nagkaroon ng bagong formation or new formation of substance. Yung water, na-freeze lang, water pa rin siya. Okay? So, tandaan natin yan. Number 18. Which process is a chemical change? And the correct answer is, ayan, rusting of iron. Bakit siya naging chemical? So, pag nakita niyo yung pako, for example, pako na hindi pa kinakalawang, maayos yung kanyang itsura, no? Iba yung color. Pero pag nakinalawang na yan, nakikita ninyo may mga nag-iba na yung color, tapos yung iba natatanggal na yung parte ng kalawang kasi nagkaroon ng oxidation, which is, it is a chemical reaction. So that is a chemical change. Number 19. Which change produces a new substance? All right. And the correct answer is letter C. Of course, no? Letter C ang sagot diyan. Kasi bago ka magluto, andiyan yung mga sangkap, yung mga ingredients, then after mo magluto, kumpleto na siya, luto na siya, may bago ng substance na buo. Example, yung adobo, di ba? Andiyan yung manok, andiyan yung mga sangkap, pag niluto mo na siya, iba na. 20, last 10. Which is an example of a simple machine? Biglang nagkaroon ng time. So the correct answer is lever. Number 21. What is the main function of machines? Of course, yung mga machines, yun yung mga ginagamit natin sa araw-araw para maging madali yung ating trabaho. Letter C. 22. Which simple machine is used to split objects? And is 30. Which? So, pwedeng i-search yan kung may itsura ng client plane, verb, edge, no? 23. Density is defined as mass divided by what? And the correct answer is letter C. So, ang formula natin para sa density is mass over volume. So, D is equal to M over 4. What happens to density? Mass increases but volume stays the same. And the correct answer is letter B. Okay? So, kabaliktaran naman, kapag ang volume naman yung tumaas at ang mass naman ay stay the same, ang mangyayari, magdi-decrease naman yung ating density. So, tandaan nyo na, kapag tumaas ang mass, stay ang volume, increases. Pag stay ang volume, stay ang mass, tapos tumaas ang volume, magdi-decrease naman yung ating density. 25. Weather refers to the condition of the atmosphere over a blank period of time. And the correct answer is letter C, of course. Kapag weather, yan yung pang-araw-araw nating panahon, di ba? So, short lang siya. Number 26. Climate describes weather patterns over a blank period of time. And the correct answer is letter B, long. So dito sa Philippines, meron tayong dalawang climate, no? Or season, pwede natin i-associate ang climate sa season kasi pang matagalan. So meron tayong tag-init, tag-araw, at tag-ulan. Okay? So yun yung climate natin dito sa Philippines, season. So may kinalaman siya sa season. Number 27, which instrument is used to measure rainfall? Alright, and the correct answer is letter C. So thermometer, ginagamit sa temperature. Ang anemometer, barometer, may kinalaman yan sa hangin, no? 28. Which property of water allows insects to walk on its surface? And the correct answer is letter D, surface tension. Number 29, which form of water is found in clouds? Of course, the correct answer is vapor droplets. And for our final question, water is important to living things because it blank. And the correct answer is letter A. So ayan, nakailang score kaya kayo out of 30? Sana ay nakapasa kayo and nakatulong sa inyo ang review na ito para sa mga mag-exam or mag-apply para sa mga science high school. And hanggang sa susunod nating story, susunod natin ay Earth Science. So, yun lang at maraming salamat. Huwag kalimutan na mag-like at mag-follow sa aking page. Paalam!